Did you know that every part of the papaya plant, its fruit, seeds, and even leaves, can be used for natural healing? This tropical wonder isn't just a sweet treat, it's a powerful herbal remedy for your body. Stay tuned to learn how papaya and its seeds can improve digestion, fight infections, and even boost immunity. Papaya is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. It's also low in calories, making it a healthy choice for anyone looking to boost their nutrient intake while keeping their diet light. One of papaya's most well-known benefits is its ability to aid digestion. It contains papain, a digestive enzyme that helps break down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. This makes papaya great for people who experience indigestion, bloating, or constipation. The high vitamin C content in papaya makes it a powerful immune booster. Eating papaya regularly can help your body fight off infections and keep your immune system strong. Papaya seeds are often overlooked, but they hold amazing detoxifying properties. They contain compounds that help cleanse the liver and kidneys, aiding in the removal of toxins from the body. Like the fruit, papaya seeds contain digestive enzymes that support gut health. But even more impressively, they are known for their ability to expel harmful parasites from the digestive system. The seeds have been used traditionally to treat intestinal worms and infections. Papaya seeds also have strong antibacterial properties, making them useful for treating infections like E. coli and staph. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce pain and swelling, particularly in conditions like arthritis. Papaya seeds may also assist in weight loss by reducing fat absorption in the body, making them a natural remedy for those looking to manage their weight in a healthy way. Papaya leaves herbal uses. Papaya leaves have been used in traditional medicine for treating dengue fever. Studies have shown that papaya leaf extract can help increase platelet count, which is crucial for those suffering from dengue. Boiling papaya leaves and drinking the juice is a common remedy in many parts of the world. Papaya leaves also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and pain in joints and muscles. It's used as a natural remedy for arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Papaya leaf juice can be applied topically to the skin to treat acne and other skin conditions. It contains compounds that cleanse the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. How to use papaya and its seeds. The simplest way to enjoy papaya's benefits is by eating the ripe fruit. Add it to your smoothies, salads, or just enjoy it as a snack. You can eat papaya seeds raw, but they have a slightly bitter, peppery taste. You can also dry and grind them into a powder and use it as a seasoning, similar to black pepper. To make papaya leaf juice, boil a few leaves in water, let it cool, and strain the liquid. You can drink this juice to boost your immunity or apply it to the skin to treat acne or rashes. Precautions. Although papaya is incredibly beneficial, it's important to note that pregnant women should avoid papaya seeds and unripe papaya, as they may have adverse effects on pregnancy. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal remedies. So whether you're looking to boost your digestion, detoxify your body, or simply enjoy a healthy snack, papaya is your go-to plant. From the fruit to the seeds and even the leaves, every part of the papaya plant has something amazing to offer. To stay updated with more natural health tips from Cure with Nature, have you used papaya or its seeds as a natural remedy? Let us know your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with anyone looking to improve their health naturally.